Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable screen recording on your iPhone or iOS device. Really easy to do. So all you have to do is head over to your settings, click on that, and then you want to scroll down until you see the option for Control Center. You want to click on Control Center, and then click on Customize Controls, and then you'll see a bunch of different stuff here that you could choose to add to your Control Center. So if we scroll down, you'll find the option for screen recording. You want to go ahead and click on that option, just click on the plus option there, and then you'll notice that it bring it over to your Control Center right here. And then if you just click on the right side and hold, you'll be able to drag it up and change to the area of where you would like it to be. Now, once you have it on your control panel, all you want to do is enable your control panel. So whether you have an older iPhone or new iPhone, you either swipe up from the bottom or just swipe down from the top. And then you will see you have that little recording button that I have blinking right there. All you have to do to start screen recording is just click on that button and then click if you want to add in your voice or not. And then it will start to screen record after a 3-second countdown. And then to end it, you just click on it. Very easy to do. But anyways, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to enable screen recording on your iPhones and iOS devices. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.